channel. So today I'm going to be showing you my everyday makeup routine. Now I have been doing this specific routine for months, like absolutely ages now, and I thought it was probably about time I showed you guys what I've been doing. And literally anytime I pick my makeup up, I have been doing this routine. Like, it's just like habit to do, and it's literally taking me like 10 minutes to do now. So yes, I thought I would put my makeup on and show you. So I'm starting off with clean skin. I have just washed and moisturised my face. I'm now going to go in with the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless foundation in the shade 220. I have just been on holiday, so I am quite tanned, and this is the darkest foundation I own. So I'm going to put this on my face using the Real Techniques buffing brush. I believe it has come off because I've had it for that long, but it is the buffing brush. I'm going to just put that on my brush because my room is a mess at the moment because I'm busy trying to like pack stuff up to move out, and I don't know where my hand palette is. So I'm going to put it on my brush and then put it on my face. My skin is actually really good right now. I think the sun really helped on holiday, and obviously got a bit of a tan because of holiday as well, so that's nice. I'm then going to go in with the Last Imperfection concealer in the shade number 1 Lemon. I have used this for ages now and I absolutely love it for under the eyes. It really brightens under my eyes and makes me look awake even when I'm really not. And I also put it on my eyelids just to prime, down the centre of my nose, a little bit of my forehead, Cupid's bow and chin. Basically all the areas that I will be highlighting, I just apply a lighter colour with my concealer just because it helps to brighten it up already before highlighter. I think I've got so used to doing this routine every day that I just don't know why I do certain steps anymore. I just do it. I have literally been doing this makeup look for so long, and it takes me like 10 minutes to do maximum now. Buffing that all in again using the same buffing brush that I used before for my foundation. And now I'm going to go in with the Rimmel London Stay Matte Powder, and this is in translucent, that doesn't even say that, it says transparent. Let's start that again. Rimmel Stay Matte Powder in the shade 001 Transparent, and this little brush, this says like Pro Fusion or something. It's rubbed off, so I'm not too sure, but any little brush will do. And I'm just going to set under my eyes. This concealer, I find, I don't know whether it's this concealer or just my eyes in general, but they tend to crease really quickly. So I'm going to set the concealer underneath my eyes and on top of my eyelids. Now moving on to eyebrows. Now I hate doing my eyebrows on camera. However, it's going to be a little bit easier today because I have had them waxed and tinted recently. So they're looking okay at the moment. But I'm going to do this off camera and I will be back in a minute with hopefully perfect eyebrows. Okay, so eyebrows done. I'm going to move on to bronzing. Now, I think I've just got in the habit of using this on holiday because this was like my lifesaver on holiday. This is the Chanel Tan de Soleil Chanel thing. Soleil Tan de Chanel by Chanel. I will leave my video that I've done on this in like the cards. It'll pop up here, and I will also leave it in the description box and at the end of this video. That seems to be a really popular video, so if you'd like to know more about this product and see my like first impressions on it, then I will leave the video all around here so you can go and have a look. But yeah, like I said, this product was literally my lifesaver on holiday. It was literally the only thing I used. So I just take my foundation brush that I have already used, swirl it in a bit, and over the bridge of my nose. And then just because I'm a little bit extra, I'm going to go in with some bronzer. I'm going to use the Hoola Benefit bronzer. This, I believe, is just the normal one. It doesn't say dark, it doesn't say light. It doesn't say anything like that, so I believe it's probably just the normal tone. I'm going to take this on an angled brush by Urban Studio. I was looking for the name. And I'm just going to take this in the hollows of my cheek. So obviously not where I've just put the cream bronzer. I'm going to put it more low. And this is just to define my cheekbones a little bit more because they're a little bit of a darker and a deeper colour. take it up my temples. So nothing really dramatic, just a little bit darker in the cheekbones. I then take the same bronzer and I take the Domed Shadow Brush by Real Techniques. This is my favourite brush for blending colours into the crease and on the lid. It's literally the best brush I've ever used to do so. And I'm going to take a little bit of the bronzer, not a lot at all. I'm going to tap a lot of it off. And I'm just going to take that in the crease of my eyes. I feel it makes a really nice colour by using the same bronzer on my eyes and obviously in my cheekbones. I just feel like it ties the look together and makes it look really nice. Sticking with eyes, I'm just going to curl my lashes and apply mascara. I don't know where these eyelash curlers are from. I probably just picked them up from Poundland or something like that. And then the mascara I'm going to be using is the Revlon Dramatic Definition Mascara. I really like this because of the thin brush. I feel like it just adds a lot more length and definition to my lashes than a thick, really like clumpy mascara would. I go on top first and look down and then spread my lashes up, obviously on the underside. So on top, this just gets like the tips of the lashes at the back, which I think just adds a little bit more length. And then from the root and wiggle the way up, making sure none of them clump together. There we go. The difference in my eyes, can you see that? Before and after. Probably can't even see on there, but I can definitely tell a difference when I wear mascara. The last thing I'm going to do skin wise is apply some highlighter. Now I have used the same one for ages. I'm using the Makeup Academy Undress Your Skin highlighter in the shade Iridescent Gold. I'm going to take that on a Real Techniques contour brush, I believe this is. It's just like a little thin one, and I'm going to take that really lightly on there and apply it on tops of my cheekbones. Wow, that's blood. Down the centre of my nose. On my cupid's bow. And a little bit on my chin. Then to finish off my look, I am going to apply some lipstick. Now this is one I use basically every day. If it's not just Vaseline, I will apply this and Vaseline. And sometimes if I feel adventurous, I will go for a purple or a red lip. But the majority of the time, if I'm being honest, I just stick with a nude. This is by Technic Colour Max Nude Edition Lipstick. It hasn't got a shade on it, I don't believe. But it looks like this, and it's like a really browny nude. Okay guys, thank you very much for watching this video. If you've made it this far, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up and subscribe down below. It's free, it's fun, and it really helps me out, so I would really appreciate it. And yes, I love you all lots, and I will see you on Wednesday with another video.